I'm sure you've heard the news. This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine holding the key to a world where anything is possible. This world is the digital realm, and its foundation is built on code. Code is the language that computers speak, the magic that makes websites appear, apps work, and games come alive. In our tech-driven world, knowing the basics of coding is like having a superpower. It's not just for tech geniuses and software engineers anymore. Coding is becoming a new form of literacy, giving everyone the chance to be part of the digital revolution. Think of this as your adventure guide into the captivating world of coding. We'll unravel the mysteries of coding, trace its history, and explore the various coding languages. You'll see how coding influences different industries and touches our everyday lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about the tech around us, join us as we unlock the secrets of the digital world, one line of code at a time. Our journey starts with understanding the basic building blocks of this digital language. Let's dive in. I bet you didn't know coding is like being a wizard, but instead of casting spells, you're writing lines of code. Coding is like giving magical instructions to a computer, telling it exactly what to do. These instructions, written in a special language, guide the computer to perform tasks and bring software to life. Picture this. You're teaching a robot to make a sandwich. You can't just say, "Make me a sandwich." You'd need to break it down into simple, clear steps. Take 2 slices of bread, spread butter on one slice, add cheese and ham, and top it with the other slice. Coding works the same way. You give the computer a detailed recipe, a series of logical steps, to achieve a specific goal. These steps are written in programming languages, each with its own unique rules and style. Just like we use different languages to talk to people around the world, programmers use different coding languages to talk to computers and create all kinds of programs. Learning the language of computers unlocks endless possibilities, letting us create, innovate, and shape the digital world. I bet you didn't know how coding has evolved over the decades. Imagine a world where computers were the size of entire rooms, and coding was a mysterious art. In the early days, these colossal machines relied on punch cards to function. Each card, meticulously punched with holes, held the secrets to the computer's tasks. It was a painstaking and laborious process, often leading to frustration. But as time marched on, so did the technology, bringing new and improved methods of coding. The invention of the transistor and integrated circuits revolutionized computing, making machines smaller and more powerful. Alongside hardware, programming languages evolved, becoming more user-friendly and expressive. From the cryptic assembly language to modern intuitive languages like Python, JavaScript, and Ruby, coding has transformed dramatically. This relentless evolution has been fueled by a quest for efficiency, flexibility, and inclusivity, opening the doors for more people to join the digital revolution. You need to hear this if you struggle with understanding programming languages. Imagine you're an architect designing a skyscraper. You have 2 sets of tools at your disposal. One is a detailed blueprint with every single brick and beam laid out, and the other is a high-level sketch that shows the overall structure. In the world of programming, these tools are like high-level and low-level languages. Low-level languages, such as assembly language, are like that detailed blueprint. They get you close to the machine code that the computer understands directly. This gives you a high degree of control over the hardware, but it can be incredibly complex and difficult to master. Now, picture the high-level sketch. High-level languages are designed to be more human-readable and easier to use. They abstract away the nitty-gritty details of the hardware, allowing you to focus on the logic and functionality of your programs. Think of languages like Python, Java, and C++. These are popular high-level languages that strike a balance between ease of use and computational power, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. So, whether you're building a simple app or a complex system, the choice of programming language depends on the specific task at hand and your own preference and expertise. Why do so many people find coding so fascinating? Welcome to Section 5. Popular Programming Languages, a peek into the Coding Toolbox. Imagine stepping into a world where every line of code you write can create something magical. The world of coding offers a diverse array of programming languages, each with its own unique charm. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of the most popular ones. First stop, Python. Known for its readability and versatility, Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's widely used in data science, machine learning, and web development. Its simple syntax and extensive libraries make it an excellent choice for beginners, opening doors to endless possibilities. Next, we have JavaScript, the language of the web. It's the magic behind interactive elements, animations, and dynamic content on websites. But that's not all. JavaScript also powers mobile app development and game development, making it a versatile tool in any coder's arsenal. Now, let's talk about Java. A robust and platform-independent language, Java is the backbone of enterprise software development, Android app development, and big data applications. Then there's C++, a powerful and efficient language often used in game development, operating systems, and high-performance computing. It's the go-to for projects that demand speed and performance. And finally, C#. Developed by Microsoft, C# shines in game development, especially with the Unity game engine, as well as in Windows desktop applications and web development using the .NET framework. This is just a glimpse into the vast landscape of programming languages, each offering its own set of superpowers. Each language opens doors to different career paths within the tech industry, inviting you to create, innovate, and transform the digital world. You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how coding impacts our world. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into the fascinating world of coding in action. Let's explore how coding is transforming industries around us. Imagine a world where coding isn't just for tech giants and startups. It's everywhere, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, powering the gadgets and systems we rely on. Let's take a journey through some real-world applications of coding across various industries. First stop, web development. Websites and web applications come to life through languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end developers craft the user experience, while back-end developers ensure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Next, we venture into data science and machine learning. Here, Python and R are the tools of choice for analyzing vast amounts of data and building predictive models. Think about those personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming service, or the sophisticated systems that detect fraud in financial institutions. Data science is reshaping industries, one insight at a time. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. Python is a favorite for developing AI algorithms and applications. From self-driving cars and virtual assistants to medical diagnostics, AI is revolutionizing our world. And let's not forget mobile app development. Java is the go-to for Android apps, while Swift is used for iOS. From social media to productivity tools and games, mobile apps have become indispensable in our daily routines. These examples barely scratch the surface of coding's impact on our modern world. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for skilled coders will only grow. The future is bright for those who can harness the power of code. You need to watch this if you struggle with coding. Welcome to Section 7. Your first line of code tips for aspiring programmers. Imagine sitting down at your computer, fingers poised over the keyboard, ready to dive into the world of coding. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right resources and mindset, anyone can learn to code. Let me share a few tips to help you on this exciting journey. Start with the basics. Picture yourself learning a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript. These languages are like the training wheels of coding, helping you get a feel for the fundamentals. Focus on understanding the core concepts of programming, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Think of these as the building blocks of your coding knowledge. Practice regularly. Like any new skill, consistency is key. Imagine setting aside a little time each day to practice coding, making it a part of your daily routine. Set a schedule, mark your calendar, and stick to it. This regular practice will help you build and retain your coding skills. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up to more complex challenges. Think of it like building a house, one brick at a time. Utilize online resources. The internet is a treasure trove of free and paid coding resources. Imagine having a library of knowledge at your fingertips. Online tutorials, interactive coding platforms, and coding boot camps offer flexible and accessible ways to learn. Dive into these resources and explore. Join a community, connect with fellow learners, and experienced programmers through online forums, coding meetups, and social media groups. Imagine the support and camaraderie you'll find. Sharing your challenges and successes with others can enhance your learning experience. It's like having a team cheering you on. Remember, learning to code is a journey, not a race. Take breaks, reflect on your progress, and enjoy the process. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the vast possibilities that coding offers. Your journey has just begun. You need to hear this if you're a coding newbie. Welcome to the 8th chapter of our journey. Resources for coding newbies. Imagine standing at the start of a new path, ready to dive into the world of coding. Are you excited to embark on this adventure? Let me guide you through some valuable resources that will light your way. First, we have Code Academy. At codeacademy.com, you'll find interactive coding courses in various programming languages, making learning both engaging and accessible. Next, there's Khan Academy. Visit khanacademy.org for free online courses on a wide range of subjects, including computer programming, with a focus on conceptual understanding. Then we have Free Code Camp. At freecodecamp.org, you'll find a comprehensive curriculum for web development, emphasizing practical projects and real-world applications. Coursera is another excellent resource. At coursera.org, you can access courses from top universities and organizations, including specialized programs in computer science and programming. And don't forget EDX. Visit edx.org for a variety of computer science and programming courses from renowned institutions. These platforms will provide a solid foundation for your coding journey, offering structured lessons, hands-on projects, and supportive communities. So, are you ready to start coding? Why are there not more people talking about the power of coding? Welcome to the final chapter. Embrace the power of coding. Imagine a world where coding isn't just a skill, but a superpower that anyone can wield. In today's digital age, coding has evolved beyond its technical roots to become a vital tool for everyone. It's the language that fuels our digital universe, sparking innovation and transforming how we live, work, and connect with one another. Whether you dream of becoming a software engineer, a data scientist, or simply want to grasp the technology that surrounds you, learning to code gives you the power to be an active player in the digital revolution. It's about unlocking your creativity, solving problems, and bringing your ideas to life in the digital world. Throughout this journey, we've seen that the world of coding is vast and ever-changing. There's always something new to learn, new challenges to overcome, and new horizons to explore. So, embrace the power of coding and set off on a journey of endless learning and discovery. The digital world is waiting for your unique contributions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.